To install the Graco Click Connect base with latch, first start off by loosening your latch belt. Squeeze the silver button and pull. It's all the way loose when the loop is next to the button. Now thread the belt through. Connect it so that it looks like a stapler, wider up top, narrower on bottom. Make sure your seat is reclined properly. You can turn this knob to adjust the height of this foot. Check on this side of the base that for a newborn you see only light blue. Now, take the tail, sneak it inside here, put your bottom against the back of the front seat, push the base into the back of the car, kind of alternate sides with where you push, and then check. Hold at the belt path, pull torsion away from you, it should move less than an inch. Double check that your recline is proper, and then you're done.